project started out all about water, but as it happens, it turns out to be about much, much more.
I'd have to say I think this is a fantastic initiative, and what it does is it educates all the young kids how important tree growing is for our environment, and that it is part of the solution for dealing with climate change in the future. It helps to reduce CO2, it is fantastic for biodiversity, and also for flood defences. Tree growing can be very, very effective. So that's why we are very interested in it in our developments. We put a lot of time into dealing with climate change and dealing with environmental issues. And right here where I am now, over the last few years, we've planted over 3,000 trees.
I'm here today for an initiative that is just so powerful in the education of children and the importance of planting trees. We have a very simple message for children, and it's to educate them about their future, and the message is as simple as a picture, and here the picture is, and we want everyone in Roscommon to plant a tree and go pesticide free. It's very simple but very effective, and children love colour. They love the fact, of course, that if they plant a tree, when they grow up they can bring their old children to see that tree, and that's called growth.
This initiative has expanded to include biodiversity and get our school children involved in raising awareness in our communities. Everyone can play a part. Plant a tree and go pesticide free.
We're delighted to welcome Sean Mulrine and Variety Island onto this project as well. From speaking to Sean earlier on today, you could see the passion, the joy in his face when he spoke about the thousands of trees that he's planted on his own farm and what it meant to him. He realises just how important planting trees are. Equally with Variety Island, one of their main drivers is to educate children so that they have a safer and more enjoyable future, and that's what they're going to do with this project. Across the county, across County Roscommon, we're asking every national school child to plant a tree and to go pesticide free. This €2 coin is roughly the same size as a silver foil cap that comes off a bottle of pesticides. If I was to drop that in the small stream behind me there, you could detect that 30 kilometers away. That's how potent, that's how deadly pesticides are. None of us want to have pesticides in our drinking water. None of us want to spray pesticides on our insects in our garden, which do such a fantastic job of pollinating our wonderful countryside. So we're asking you all, please, to plant a tree and to go pesticide free.
So this program is fun, it's educational, and it'll have a positive impact on your wider community and garden.
We've planted a tree and we're going pesticide free.